So Tim, yeah, this is what we're looking like. I had to scoot the motor over. I'm gonna get some rubber. Took all the modules off except that I kept that one. That's gonna be for the starter for the little mini, the 3-horse. We'll see if it works. It might work. If it doesn't, it'll blow up probably. But because that's for a 1-horse, I believe, motor. So it should drive. That's one of those Samsungs at 120 volt though. That's the only thing. So I'll have to see how I might drive it. I can drive it other ways too. I could put my own driver on it. I got a 24 volt really good one because I'm going to make that low resistance anyway out there on the 3-horse. But anyway, that'll be the second stage. Still debating on a third pillow block. Another one there. Thinking about it. It's going to be a 3/4 shaft, so it'll be pretty stout. And it's going to already be short, but I might need another one for the motor to help catch that torque. And that's where the plate's going to be. Yeah, I had to scoot it over 4.5 inches to fit my plate. Gotta get those drilled, and then I'm gonna try to mount them this weekend, get it mounted, and then I'm gonna start. I'll have to cut these shafts down, and then on these white ones I have to turn this plate around. Tim, you know this because I sent you one that already did that too. But yeah, that's the only way you can mount these because it's solid potted. So, but yeah, that's what we can do. Yeah, it's got a unique looking thing in there too. And this is one of the ones that's got shaped fields in there. It doesn't have ceramic magnets. You can't really see, man, sorry. Can't find a way. Yeah, you can kind of see it there, I guess. Yeah, there's no ceramic magnets. They're inside. The magnets are inside. Like, it's not like this, right? That one's shorted because the wires are touching. But I'm going to swap some out. There's another one that's got the shaped field rotor. I'm going to swap those out because I want to do some stuff with these. I've got some other ceramic 3/4 that are really good too that I used on. That was one of the ones where mine was loping up to 800-900 watts. I'm going to put those on this, I think, because I want to play with those. So, yeah, it's getting there. It's kind of a mess, but it's a work in progress. I'm doing it all basically right here, so, yep.